A bit of a difference this week. I'm about tracked out, so I just thought I'd mess about with these Hornby Coke Wagons. This is as they come, with the big Hornby couplings on them, and I thought what they could do with a bit of a paint job, they're a bit loud. So what I ended up doing was coming to something more like this. What I've done here is, obviously you can see I've painted them, but with them having wood boards and metal frames, I thought I'd have a go at doing that. And the other thing I've changed as well is I've got rid of the Hornby couplings, but to do this I've had to actually mess about underneath. I'll show you what I've done to fit these NEM fittings, and then really you can use any coupler then. So stage one really was pretty simple. I just painted all the wooden body all over with just a cheap, if I can get into focus, acrylic brown paint, burnt umber it is. And then once I painted it all brown, obviously not the chassis, I then went over all the metal simply with a permanent marker. I don't know whether I can focus. It's just a marker pen anyway. It just went down the frame and everything. That came out quite effective. So obviously then I wanted to get the NEs on the side, so I brought some transfers off eBay. They were quite fiddly. So going from that, I got to that. But the I might keep some like that, just, I mean they would have had new trucks as well as the old ones, but I did really want the well weathered look. If you look at these Hornby couplings, they've got a little brass like rivet in there. What I had to do was drill them out, and as you see there's also two plastic pins. So when you drilled them out, you're left with the two plastic pins, and then off eBay I found these NEM coupling supports. So you glue those, once you've drilled down far enough, there, you just glue the NEM coupling onto the two pins, and you end up with something like that. Now these are shapeway couplings. I saw Charlie have some of these. He did a video recently about couplings. I know nobody's using the hump ones at the moment, which are probably easy to use, because obviously once you've connected these, they're permanently attached. Well, you can undo them obviously, but you've obviously got to fiddle about. But the hump couplings are all sold out, so what I'm going to do is, when I eventually get there, is I'm going to join 4 trucks together, and then when I can get some hump couplings, join the 4, so I'll have sets of 4. That's the plan. As you can see, there's the trucks are a lot closer together using these couplings, and there's loads of turning before they well, they won't actually touch because the couplings actually stop that. So that would be one hell of a radius to get trucks going at that angle. For the coal loads, this is something else I got off eBay. It is a load for these, and I just covered it in some artificial coal. When it came to weathering, I wasn't quite sure what to do, so I got this. It's a game wash sepia shade, and it's just kind of like a wash. And what I did was, I wanted to weather the chassis up as well, so I covered this everywhere. Then once the sepia was dry, or sorry, well, it was just a bit tacky, I just then went round the tops really, and a bit on the chassis of this coal dust, and that just seemed to take the sharpness of the NE out and everything. As you see, I've been quite busy. I think I've got about 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, basically about 20, which should make a nice rake by the time I finish them. So there we are. I just thought I'd show you. Well, if I had some trucks on the back, it would be better. So there you go. I just thought I'd show you actually running, so you can actually see the coupling difference. What I've done is I've put the old original Coke Wagons on the front, and then this is the K3 I've got on it, just so you can see the coupling difference. And she backs up with these couplings, obviously because they're solid. Anyway, there you go, that's just a quick update what I've been doing. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oh, and comment as well please. Thanks.